Itäinen Linjapuisto, Itäinen Kuusankoski, Kouvola, staircase A.
Yep. Special buttons.
Yeah.
Built in 1976 originally. When was it modernized? 37616.
This original.
2004.
Oh.
Modernized in 2004 with these buttons.
Oh, this big.
Oh, that's interesting. Very nice. We can take toilets.
Yeah.
This is one of the rest of Kone.
Yeah.
Um,
I have never seen these buttons before.
and actually,
And there's a door close button.
yeah. The door makes weird noise.
Yeah.
But this is very interesting.
And this
Yeah.
has two panels.
Yeah. And
And almost
four
first arm
indicators
button.
on both of them.
Yeah.
13 versions without secure ramps. Yeah. And it's gonna be inspected in the next year, 2020. Fourth floor. Try the call button on the outside. Smells very fresh here. Seems like they've renovated it.
Yeah.
And space and floor. Let's close the door.
It's very
Yeah.
Oh yeah, shall we take another ride in it?
Yeah.
Sure. Let's change to 2.
I think that the voice is coming out of this.
Probably, there is a speaker on it.
Yeah.
Pohjakierros.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No. Yeah.
No, from there.
Ah, yeah.
From here.
Yeah.
Oh. This modernization is turning at 15 years old this year, 2019.
Yeah.
And will be, the elevator itself will be 45 years old in 2021.
Inspected by QI, inspected, maintained by Kone.
Yeah. I would also like to take pictures of this on the first
Neljäs kerros.
Not. Strange.
Where is the more noise coming?
It's not Kone's standard voice.
Yeah.
It's a different voice. But still, it's a pleasant one.
I think here.
Oh.
They should have put the flumicator there. It's kind of unnecessary to have 2 here. Weird.
Ensimmäinen kerros.
Yeah, it's that.
But I think this sounds like standard.
Yeah. That's it.